Okay, yo, what up, you guys? This is a unboxing video, and I've been waiting on this for about a month. Got in yesterday, so let's get started. Let's see. Let's get this out of the way. Okay. This is a Benchmade, but this is a clone of the 42. I got it on, I forgot the website, but yeah, it's still a 42 to me, and I really wanted a 42. Okay, let's put this right here. Say we got some bubble wrap top, hold it secure or something. Okay, we got a tool for it, and here's the knife. Okay, here's the case. As you can see, Benchmade. Really nice case. Okay, and here's the knife. Here's the knife. See, it has that spring latch. It's really, really nice. So it has the old Benchmade symbol on it. It has Benchmade right here, and it says USA, if it will focus. I don't know if you can see that or not. Okay. But it's a really, really nice knife. It resembles a lot of to the balisong, the Benchmade 42. And I mean, probably just do a few flips right here. So smooth. And it's razor sharp, really, really sharp. Okay, I'll get a paper to show you how sharp it is. Okay. Here's a piece of paper. Cut like nothing. Cuts it like it's nothing, but yeah. So here's the knife. Really, really nice. Got it for like $30 something, $34. Really, really good. Okay, and this is my first video on here, so I hope you liked it. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Goodbye.